Okay, I'm going to show you how to overhaul and maintain your windows now. Starting with a basic window handle, which I've just changed, but we'll go through the process of that with you. Button in the middle just to press and open, as you will have in your homes. 2 screws in there, Phillips screwdriver again. Just going to undo those. Make sure we're keeping hold of the screws. Take that out. As you can see, general workings of a window handle. Got your central spindle there, which in this instance we've just cut to length. Those come quite long, and we just use a hacksaw just to cut those to length. On the window itself, we're going to use our spray again, just to go into the spindle. Give that a spray up in there. We'll just wipe away any access and make sure the area is clear. Clean the window at the same time. And then we're going to pull that back in. We're going to relocate our handle. As I say, just make sure that the spindle's nice and firm, no movement there, it shouldn't be coming out. As I say, this is a new handle, so we've just cut this one to match. You're going to locate that in the hole. And just press your top screw in. Keep that, just tightening that in place. Again, touch tight with that. Our other screw there. Okay, now. Just turning those so those are nice and tight. Shouldn't be any movement in the handle. As you can see, that works to pull it open nicely. Okay, that in place. So in the pack of the handle, we get 2 little lugs as well. One of them's wedge shaped, as you can see there. That just presses over to hide the screw. Fingers and thumbs. That presses in nicely. And then what we do, we don't supply lockable window handles, so you will not get a key with the new handles. So we've got a little lug there, which just presses in the keyhole to keep that, to make that a non-lockable handle. As we say, all secure, all fitting nicely. Job done.